Okay, new box from Revopoint 3D. Nice black case. You see it has Metro Y Pro. It's really kind of a nice touch. Really nice box for it. I literally just took it out of the package. Haven't seen it yet. Let's see what we get. Okay. All right. Nice padded case. Looks like I get a turntable. New scanner right there. Looks like here's your nice metal tripod. I don't know if this is a dual access or not. I'm pretty sure since this is a Pro, it probably came with a dual access turntable. Yep, that's the power supply for it. So this is a dual access turntable. They already went ahead and put the markers on this, but this is the one that they've been using for a while. It's a Bluetooth module. It connects to the app, and it'll actually do different angles. Power supply for it. Adapters for the power supply. Looks to be the new USB cable. It connects directly to the scanner. So they give you a cleaning cloth. This is the power adapter for the scanner. I believe it has 12 volts it needs to actually have, so it's a special power. And this is our normally guy. Nice mini bust. So when they give you this, the little guy, you gotta know that this is tailored to be as accurate as possible. All right. And then I have the mobile device kit. USB cable. Looks like a mini one to power the scanner. So this is a custom cable. Okay. Looks to be a tripod adapter. Okay. All right, so this is this is a big boy. Okay. It's got some weight to it. I guess this is the new mobile kit. It's got some good weight to it. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, USB-C right there. So that's going to be the power. That's a metal adapter. It's got some good heft to it. Okay. Here's the scanner. See if I can get this out without messing it up. Okay, so they wrapped it up quite nicely. Let's see if I can remove this one-handed. This is the first time I'm seeing everything, so just bear with me. Trying not to drop this on the ground or anything like that. They definitely wrap this up pretty nicely. So I'm trying to be very careful. All right, so here it is. I mean, it looks very professional. I do like it. It's got a new good heft to it. Yeah, this is the new Pro. I can see it's got some cooling vents. So yeah, looks like they took definitely learned from the Metro X. But yeah, here's the Pro. It's definitely come a long ways. Can't wait to try this out. And some more videos and posts will come to follow. Okay, going to pin another video to the end of this, but behind here is where you're going to find your instruction manual, and then they give you a pack of marker dots. This is very important. You want the reflective ones. So it looks like they give you a good bit in there. So yeah, I'll put this all in one video, but this is the complete unboxing of your new Metro Y.